Hi all, welcome to our channel I Do What I Love. I am Atreya here with you. This is a show where you can see so many talented individuals, and today we have a talented person who is showing us a wonderful art. With no further delays, let's go and watch the video. Hi, so now I'm going to introduce my mother, Mrs. Radha.
Hi, wish you all a happy new year.
So, what you are going to show us here today, Amma?
Today I am going to show Kundan art. For that, first on paper we have to draw the design whichever we want. Okay?
Can you please show the paper to us?
Yeah, like this.
Okay.
We need one polythene sheet and gum and some kundans. Okay? First,
So you can start, Amma. You can start to make some kundans.
yeah, we have to apply the gum on this design.
So Amma, I would like to ask you, when did you start doing this kundan arts? At what age? Maybe like that.
At 45, at the age of 45.
So you mean to say you did not have any, you didn't had any experience before?
No, I don't have, because this kundan work started at that time only.
Okay, okay, that's nice. So what is that gum you're using, Amma?
This is Fevi glue, fabric glue.
Okay. So is this available in the local stationery shop or some
Yeah,
shops?
yeah.
Oh,
It is
that's nice.
available.
So did someone teach you how to make this kundans or did you learn by yourself, Amma?
No, I have learned by myself only. One of my neighbor showed me the rangoli she brought from the shop. So after seeing that, I thought, why can't we do like this? Then I started.
That's nice. So guys, if you see, she has already drew a design on a paper, and on that she has put some polyester sheets, so that after the kundan work is completed, she can cut that polyester sheet and she can make it as real as possible. So here she has kept some kundans segregated so that it will not be a hassle while doing the art. So just if I wanted to ask you, those days you did not had much of internet or like YouTube or something like that. So how did you learn by yourself? Like by watching in something in TV or by your own imagination?
By own my imagination only.
Okay, that's nice.
From the childhood, I am interested in craft work,
Okay.
and I am very much interested in rangolis.
Oh, nice. So if I just wanted to ask you, what is the most important thing for you to do this kind of Kundan arts? Like, is it patience, or do you say it is talent you need, or do you say it is time, like that? What is the most
Time
important
is
thing?
also important, and moreover, patience is very important.
Okay, nice.
Without time, we can't do anything now.
Yeah.
And this we can't do in hurry burry.
Okay. So Amma, did in your life, na, anytime did you feel that Kundan works, Kundan art is not your passion or something like that, or did you dislike Kundan arts?
No, I like this very much.
Okay, it's because I know
This
that.
is my favorite work.
Okay, because I know that you like many craft work, like many
Yeah.
more craft works. Main reason why did you choose Kundan arts?
Those days, no, it is very famous. In every shop, we can go and see this art. So I started, why can't we do this?
Okay, nice.
Nowadays also you can see in all the shops.
Yes, mainly in the fancy store and in the
Yeah.
market items, na, this Kundan arts will be most sold. And if you
Nowadays
see,
people don't have time to put rangoli and all, no. So in all the functions they can keep this in front of the god or some wherever
okay, yeah, it is mainly used for decorations, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, one line I finished.
Yeah, you can please continue so that we will see the end result, how it will be.
And color combination is very important for this.
Okay. So how much support you got from your family? Like, did anyone supported you while purchasing or while showing it to others, like that? Any support you got
Yeah,
from your
my
family?
husband and my son and daughter all are supported me.
Okay.
Whatever I prepare, no, I show to my son and daughter. I'll ask their opinion,
Okay.
like that.
Yes. I remember telling some feedbacks about this Kundan arts.
Yes.
So basically, what is the cost of these kundans? Is this costlier or it is cost effective?
It's depend upon the design. If it is big design means it will be little bit costly. If it is small means it is very cheap only. It's not that much cost. And but in the shops, no, they are putting more margin and selling.
Okay. So you insist people learning this themselves and doing for themselves,
Yeah,
right?
I did class
Okay.
weekly once,
Uh-huh.
and some housewives and all they came and learned so many things.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So basically, where did you buy this raw material? Like, is it available in the local shops or did you go
It
to the
is
market?
available in local shop, but it will be costly. If we go to City Market, Avenue Road, there we can see wholesale stores. So many stores are there. We can buy their bulk.
Okay. So, what are the raw materials you need basically for this Kundan arts apart from the paper and the cover?
Paper cover, different kinds of kundans, and this pearls and chain like this chains.
Okay.
So all we need.
And this is some of Amma's designs which she has done. So this is a elephant. It's just so beautiful, and some basic star design. This is all basically Kundan work. Oh, this is bunch of peacocks. This is ruby flowers. This kundan seems to be a little bit big, and this is what we call it as torana. This you can put it to your doors, and this God's room like this. You can put it. It's so beautiful. This is Lord Ganesha. This is mixed with lot of kundans and those color chains. So beautiful and perfect designs. This is Lord Srinivasa's Pada, and beside that Shankha and Chakra, and another flower design. Wow, this star is so good, and it's completely made by chains, the color chains which Amma told. And this is a Padma design with lot of Kundan works. Wow, this is a single peacock, so beautiful, so perfect. I think this would have taken at least 2 hours to 3 hours. Wow. It seems to be a pot design. Oh, and Lord Saraswati. So beautiful designs, guys. And all these designs has been made by her own imagination. She has not taken any kind of reference or something like that. Completely made by her own. So good. So is this chains also available in market?
Yeah, it is in all colors.
Oh, you get it in different colors.
Yeah,
So I see you are putting a gold color chain now.
yeah. It will be suitable for red, no?
Oh, it's a good combination. So the chain is metal chain or it is plastic?
Metal, metal.
Okay, that's metal chain.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one more thing, this color is it won't be fade.
Oh, this color will not fade, is it?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's see what is the output after the chain. That's nice. So how long the glue needs to dry actually?
Just 3-4 hours.
Oh, you need to keep it for 3 to 4 hours, is it?
Yeah.
You have to keep it in fridge or some or
No, outside only.
Okay, okay.
So
Oh, that's nice. Let's see it from close up.
just a minute. I'll remove the paper. If you want, we can put chain here inside also.
Okay.
This is our creative ideas. We can
Okay.
do whatever.
So there is no bound.
No.
You can. It's up to your imagination.
Yes.
Whatever design you want, you
Yeah.
can do it.
Yes.
So what about this gum? Like there is some glue marks. Will it go away or it will be remaining forever?
It will go after
Okay.
drying it.
So I think we can clean it with some kind of thinner or something spirit so that it
Yeah,
will
maybe.
it will not create any kind of marking. Okay, that's nice. Thank you very much, Amma. Thanks for showing your talent. One of your talent, I can say like that. So thank you very much.
you.
So this is the final output. So if you see, it's so well designed, perfect shape has been used, Kundan works. And I think little more drying needs to happen, and after the drying maybe we can clean it with some kind of thinner or spirit so that it will look more shining and polishing.